Good morning, friends. I hope you are fine. This is Engineer Imran Aziz. We are now starting our new lecture, which is about building and town planning. I welcome you all at my YouTube channel, CivTech Simplified. So far, we have been introducing several civil engineering related videos, which you might have seen at this channel, and they are helping a lot to the students, especially in civil engineering as well as in the field of professional engineering, whatsoever is their trade. The purpose of creating this channel was to support those fresh graduates and civil engineers who are struggling a lot to find a good job in the industry and to prepare them for the upcoming interviews or any competitive exams which they are planning to appear. So that was the sole purpose behind creating this channel, and I hope you guys are getting a lot of good material at this channel, and this channel might be helping you in choosing a field and preparing yourself for the upcoming exams. My targeted audience, as I mentioned, is engineering professionals, whether they are fresh or they have experience. So this material can help both categories of the engineers, and focus is that you might not lose any good job or any good opportunity for your higher studies, and you are good prepared for the upcoming competitive exams. So I request you to follow this channel, CivTech Simplified. It is available at YouTube as well as TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So anywhere you can find these videos, and I urge to support this channel so that we should have larger audience, and this message should be spread to a lot of professionals who are struggling and they don't have time to go to the book shop and get the competitive exam books and then go on reading them. So you can easily start watching these videos while even traveling in a car. You can switch on your video, and this material will automatically give you knowledge and will share the current market strategies as well. So let's move on to our today's topic, which is very much familiar as well as common. And this is building constructions and town plannings. So far in the videos, we have been sharing 50 questions per video, but as per the feedback from the community and feedback from my Facebook family as well as YouTube family, uh, the video length have been made a bit shortened so that people should not get bored, as well as they can digest more knowledge instead of just throwing 50 MCQs and getting them bored. So what we have decided, moving forward, we will be making video having 25 MCQs questions per video, so that one, it should not be so lengthy, and secondly, it grab the attention of the audience. So let's proceed with our today's topic. So as I mentioned earlier, my name is Engineer Imran Aziz, and I am a professional engineer. I did my bachelor's in 2005 in civil engineering, and then I did my master's degree in 2014 in urban and town planning area. My specialized field is urban infrastructure engineering. I did several courses in procurement and supply chain management, and I am also a member of American Society of Civil Engineers. So, having a 20 years of field experience, I'm bringing material for you guys to uh, which will help you preparing for your exam. So, as I mentioned earlier, today's topic is building and town planning, and in this topic, we are bringing you 25 multiple choice questions. So, what we will do is we will be highlighting the answer as well as discussing each of the MCQs and then highlight the answer for your perusal and for your knowledge. So, this is the part one of this topic 25 MCQs. The first MCQs series, first MCQ is uh, dash is used to mean the regulation of admitting more or less sunshine in the room. So, as I discussed, this topic is basically building an architectural side of the civil engineering and town planning part. So, questions relating to that topic will be in our today's lecture. So, dash is used to mean the regulation of admitting more or less sunshine in room. Options available with us are elegance, prominence, circulation, and aspect. So the correct answer is aspect. Question number two. The term dash is used to mean the link or access or movement between various rooms and floors of a building. Options are flexibility, prospect, B and C circulation, D is elegance. So the correct answer for this question is circulation. So circulation is the term which is used to mean the link or access of movement between various rooms or various floors in a building. Next, question number three. A dash is used to indicate the architectural effect produced by elevation in relation to width, height, height position of doors and windows, material employed in the construction of external wall, etc. So what is the that which indicates the architectural effect? The options are number one, furniture requirement, number B is elegance, number C is romance, and number D is grouping. So the answer to this question is elegance. So elegance is used to indicate the architectural effect produced by elevation in relation to width, height, position of doors and windows. Question number four. The placing of various rooms or units of a structure in a proper correlation of their function and in due proximity with each other is known as number one, sanitation, prospect, economy, grouping. So the correct option for this question is D, grouping. The placing of various rooms or units of a structure in a proper correlation of their functions and in due proximity with each other is known as grouping. Next, question number 5. One of the important requirement of good planning is, so there are various requirements of planning. Most important among them, number A option is privacy, number B is furniture requirement, number C is prospect, number D is prominence. So privacy is the main important requirement for good planning in a building. So option A is correct for this question. Question number 6. The term dash is used to refer the effect derived from space of a room, that is its length, width and height. Options number A prospect, sanitation, B C is privacy, D is roominess. So correct option is D, roominess. The term roominess is used to refer the effect derived from space of a room, that is its length, width, and height. Number 7. As a principle of planning, the term dash is used to mean architectural hygiene. So, what is the term used to mean the architectural hygiene? Options are sanitation, number B, drainage, C, water supply, D, wastewater. Correct option is A, sanitation. So, as a principle of planning, the term sanitation is used to mean the architectural hygiene in a building. Next, question number 8. The plan, the plan of a building and elevations and sections accompanying the notice shall be drawn to a scale. So, what will be the scale where the drawings of a building or their elevation and sections will be drawn? So, option A is 1 by 10, option B is 1 in 50, option C is 1 in 100, option D is 1 is to 500. So, the correct option for this question is option C, 100, 1 in 100. Question number 9. The ratio of total floor area inclusive of all the floors to the area of the plot on which building stands is known as number A, floor space index, number B, plot area, number C, floor area, number D, build up area. So the correct option for this question is floor space index. So floor space index is the ratio of total floor area inclusive of all floors divided by the area of the plot at which the building is being constructed. Floor space index. Option A is correct. Number 10. Landscape architecture comes under which principle of planning? A. Function. B. Form. Number C. Aesthetic. Number D. Elegance. So landscaping comes under aesthetic part of the architectural planning. So option C is correct for this question. Then we have question number 11. The height of plinth should not be less than dash A 45 centimeter, B 20 centimeter, C 1 meter, 500 centimeter. So the height of plinth should not be less than A 45 centimeter. Question number 12. The full form of BIS is dash. What is BIS? BIS stands for, options are number A, Board of Indian Standards, number B, Bureau of Indian Standards, number C, Bureau of International Specifications, Board of International Standards. So, Indian students and Indian engineers from our YouTube family will also be familiar of this term. It's basically Bureau of Indian Standards. So, BIS means Bureau of Indian Standards. Question number 13. Which of the following types of plans is the plan at roof level? So, at the roof of the building, which plan will be followed? Number 1, foundation plan, floor plan, terrace plan, and the structural plan of a typical building. So, of course, it's terrace plan. Terrace is the roof, so terrace plan will be used for roof level. 14. A foundation plan depicts the details of different types of foundations provided for building. Is it true or false? Yes, of course it's true. The foundation plan gives you the details of different types of foundation provided in the building. So option A is true. Option Question number 15. Windows and almirahs cannot be represented on a plan if it is cut at the plinth level. Is it true or false? Of course, it's true because plinth level is basically after our foundation. So, doors are coming at the top of the plinth. So they will not be used if the plinth if we cut the section at plinth level. So that's why option A is correct. Question number 16. A plan is conventionally cut at the dash A, roof level, B, floor level, C, plinth level, D, window sill level. So if you see a drawing or plan, it is normally the sections are cut at the window sill height. So option D here is correct for this question. Plan is conventionally cut at the window sill level. Question number 17. The town should be divided into different dash so that suitable rules and regulations can be framed for each of them. If we have a big community or town, it should be divided into various zones or sections. So normally, a term is used as zone. Options are planning division, B, planning units, sectors, and land use zones. So of course, the correct option is zone. Then sectors comes under the zones, and similarly, uh, then we have streets and etc. and houses. So house is basically a smaller unit, and then street, sector, and then zone, and then we have town. So this is basically the hierarchy of town planning. Next question is question 18. Silpa Sastara deals with, it's again an Indian term. So, A, town planning, town planning in ancient India. Then we have sculpture, dance, none of these. So, of course, the first term is town planning in ancient Old Indian. Uh, it's an Old Indian architectural term. So, A is correct for this question. Next, we have 19 question. The town should be divided into suitable zones such as number 1 industrial zone, commercial zone, residential zone, all of these. So yes, all of these zones are coming under a town. So option D is correct for this question. Then we have question 20. The efficiency of any town is measured by number A, the layout of its buildings, layout of its roads, population, all of these. So option B is correct for this question. Once we have very well planned roads, so definitely traffic flows will continue and the efficiency of the town will be good. So efficiency is normally measured with the layout of its roads. Option B is correct for this question. Question number 21. The worst slum city of the world is number A, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. So, worst slum city of the world are all of these: Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata. So, answer D is correct for this question. Then we have question number 22. The location of town was selected by giving some considerations such as ease of defense, climatic consideration, and business facilities. So, answer is all of them. So normally ease of defense is considered, climatic conditions are considered, and business opportunities are also considered in wild town planning. Question number 23. The work of showing how the old cities were planned is done by psych, sociologist, psychologist, archaeologist, or all of these. The work of older cities were planned by the archaeologists. So option number C is correct for this question. Question number 24. Some of the theories of town planning contributed in the literature of ancient times are number 1 Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Puranas. So all of these are already there in the literature of the old town planning. So option D is correct for this question. Then we have question number 25, which is the last one. The focal point of a town include shopping centers, theaters, and public buildings. So all of these. Answer for this question is D, all of these. Basically, we have to plan for shopping centers, theaters, public buildings, everything. So that's all for today's presentation. I hope this lecture brings you more knowledge, and these were fully solved MCQs question which were shared with the focus of exam preparations. And as I mentioned in my intro, our videos are perfect for professional engineers. They are also focused for uh, commission people who are preparing themselves for the federal public service commissions or any provincial public service commission, junior engineers, even for Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, anywhere in the world where you have to appear in the professional exams. So these videos and content can help you. So I again request you to subscribe my channel CivTech Simplified for upcoming parts on the same topic, and support me on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. So thank you very much, and that's all for today. Bye. Thank you.